Hi NEET aspirants, welcome to Vari Medical Academy. Vari Medical Academy சார்பாக அனைத்து விதமான டாபிக் சார்ந்த ஒவ்வொரு வீடியோவும் இனி வரும் நாட்களில் உங்களுக்கு வரும். உங்களுக்கு இதை சார்ந்த சந்தேகங்கள், கேள்விகள் எதுவாக இருந்தாலும் கமெண்ட்ஸில் பாஸ் பண்ணுங்க. எங்கள் எக்ஸ்பர்ட் ஃபேக்கல்ட்டி மெம்பர்ஸ் போடுற வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அந்த வீடியோ ரெகுலராக உங்களுக்கு வரணும்னா சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. தேங்க்யூ. Wish you all the best.
N2 plus 3H2 gives rise to 2NH3. All are the gases. Please write this is the gas and this one also gas and this one also gas. If the partial pressure of nitrogen, hydrogen are 0.8 atm, 0.4 atm at equilibrium, total pressure is given is 2.8 atm. Find Kp. First write the reaction. What is the reaction? N2 plus 3H2 gives rise to 2NH3. Now initial how many moles is given this? Not moles here. Pressure is given. Partial pressure nitrogen is 0.8. Next one, partial pressure of hydrogen given 0.4. Now total pressure is given how much? 2.8. Now partial pressure of this one, how to get? This one is the N2 partial pressure is 0.8 next to 0.4. Now 8 4 ja enemy not 8 8 plus 4 12 1.2. 1.2 is coming for this partial pressure. After total pressure how much? 2.8. Now total pressure 2.8 minus 1.2. Now 8 to 2 means 6 and 1.6. Now what is the partial pressure? 1.6 of NH3. Understand? N2 plus 3H2 gives rise to 2NH3. Now if the partial pressure of N2 0.8, H2 0.4, now total pressure is given how much? 2.8. Now add the 0.8 and 0.4 will get 1.2. That 1.2 and total pressure minus and the partial pressure of N2 and H2 will get 1.6. Now what is the formula? Students, Kp is equal to equilibrium constant in terms of partial pressure NH3 P and partial pressure of NH3 power square by partial pressure of nitrogen next to partial pressure of hydrogen all cube. Very simple only. Now write down Kp is equal to what is the NH3 partial pressure? 1.6. Now write 1.6 into 1.6 by what is the partial pressure of nitrogen? That is 0.8 into what is the partial pressure of hydrogen? 0.4 into 0.4 into 0.4. Now how to easily calculation method? What is the using? I am removing the Kp is equal to 1.6 means 16 into 16 into 10 ki power minus 2. We are here also writing how to write 8 into 4 into 4 into 4 10 ki power minus 4. Yes sir, I am removing points like that 10 ki power minus 4. This one is 10 ki power minus 4 is coming to numerator side means what is the value? 16 into 16 that is 10 ki power 2. Okay, by 8 into 4 into 4 into 4. Now 4 1 ja 4 4 ja. Here is 4 1 ja 4 4 ja. Now 4 1 ja 4 4 1 ja 4 2 ja 8. Now here is 10 ki power 2 means 10 into 10 100 by 2 that is equal to 50. What is the answer? Kp 50 atm atmospheric pressure. This is the 50 atm. Now what they are asking, very easy question. If the N2 plus 3H2 2NH3, if the partial pressure of nitrogen H2 are 0.8 0.4, these are the partial pressure. Now partial pressure you can add 0.8 0.4, will get 1.2. now total pressure how much given students? 2.8. now 2.8 minus 1.2, 1.6, that is the partial pressure of NHE3. Now you know the formula, Kp equal to partial pressure of product concentration by reactant concentration. Now product, we can partial pressure of ammonia power 2, partial pressure of nitrogen, partial pressure of hydrogen, because these are the stoichiometric coefficients. 2 and 3 are the stoichiometric coefficients. Now Kp equal to what we have to write, NH3 power 2 means 1.6, 1.6. Now I am writing 10 ki power 16, 16 I am writing easy, 10 ki power minus 2. Here is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 ki power minus 4. We can calculate like this. The answer is 50 atm. Keep on watching my videos and share it and comment it.